Hello Maths Gurus, hope you all are doing fine. Today's topic of learning is linear equations in two variables. Any equation which can be expressed or written in the form ax plus by plus c equals to 0 is called a linear equation in two variables. Now the question arises, why this is called a linear equation in two variables? Let's have a look at the maximum degree or power of the variables, which are x and y here. So the maximum degree or the power of the variables is 1. That's why this equation is called a linear equation. Now, why this is called an equation? Any algebraic expression which has equal sign in it is called an equation. That's why this is called linear equation, and it has obviously two variables which are x and y. That's why in combination it is called linear equation in two variables. What about a, b and c present in this linear equation? A, b and c are real numbers, and the values of a and b cannot be equal to 0. Let's take an example of a linear equation in two variables. 2x plus 3y equals to 5. This is one type of representation of a linear equation in two variables. This equation can also be represented as 2x plus 3y minus 5 equals to 0. In both these forms, this is called linear equation in two variables. Here, if we have a look at the values of a, b and c, the value of a is 2, b is 3 and c is minus 5. And it has obviously two variables, x and y. That's why it is called linear equation in two variables. Some equations of the type ax plus c equals to 0 can also be expressed as linear equations in two variables, as ax plus 0 times y plus c equals to 0. For example, 3x minus 5 equals to 0. This equation can be expressed as linear equation in two variables, as 3x plus 0 times y minus 5 equals to 0. Here the point to note is that this can only be expressed as a linear equation in two variables, but actually this is not a linear equation in two variables. Hope you all got an idea about the linear equation in two variables, but if you still have any questions or queries, you can always contact me at the details popping out on the screen. Thanks for watching this video.